Well, so much for purse piece. Hi, I hope you're having a wonderful day today. As you can tell by the title of this video, I have another Louis Vuitton unboxing. I am so excited about this. I was very, very lucky to find this piece. I had no idea. It came out a while ago. It is my second limited edition piece. I had never seen it before, and I will get into that in just a moment on how I discovered it. I got the very last one in the USA, and I am super excited. I have not seen this in person, so we will be checking it out together for the first time. And I have two other little small packages here, so we're going to get to these first. First of all, here is my receipt, and let's open the little bitty one first. I'm assuming that this is perfume samples, but I am not positive. Oh, it is. It is a ton of perfume samples, and all the the names are all where I can't see them. So let me pull these out and see. Okay, that's a very big mess. Oh, okay, I cannot pronounce it, but Attrape Revs, it's the one I got the last time. I asked for more, and I think I am going to purchase this one. I will write it down below because French and I don't go so good together, as you know. I think it's the most beautiful, beautiful language, and I butcher it. Symphony, what else did he get me? Ors d'Absence. Again, I cannot pronounce these. He said he was going to send some of his favorites. Spell on You, I asked for that. That's brand new. I want to try that one. There's two of those. Another Rose de Vence, and another Courbetante, and an Apogee, A-P-O-G-E-E, and Dancing Blossom. So, wow. That's a lot of samples. He's so nice. He's so nice. I've never gotten, I usually get like one or two. So this, I think I know what this is. Well, I do know what this is because if it wasn't in that box, it's in this box. And here is my separate receipt. And this is the first time in a very, very long time I have been able to purchase these. So a lot of you watched my travel vlog. I went to Aruba, and I had zero idea that they had an Aruba hot stamp. So I ordered two more luggage tags, and they're both in Damier Ebene, and he put them in separate dust bags. I think we're gonna go back to Aruba in the spring. These are both made in France. I'm not sure if that's gonna show up or not, but I will be sure to bring a luggage tag with me. I was in Louis Vuitton talking to the nicest lady. They weren't crowded at all. I think it wouldn't have been any problem to have gotten it done that day and bring it home with me. I just didn't do my research on that one. It's super, super cute. So I can't wait to see this. I saw it online, and it said it was gone everywhere in the United States, so I didn't even bother asking about it. And I thought about it and thought about it, and I'm like, well, you never know. I'll just ask. There was one left in the country. My sales associate got it into his store so that he could look at it first. I did have to prepay for that. They will no longer, and this has been going on for a very, very long time. They will not transfer from store to store. You have to purchase it, but if he thought something was wrong with it, he could have returned it right there on the spot. And he did include a return label for me, so I don't have to, if I don't like it, I can just send it back. But I think I'm gonna love it. I think so. So let's open it up and put some nice tissue paper in the dust bag here, around the dust bag. Tissue paper is flying everywhere here. So let's put this out of the way. Okay, I'm a little nervous. Okay, I always open things like the second that they come. All right, this is the wrong time of year for this, but I don't care. Yes, oh my goodness. Oh, it's so cute. It is so cute. This was, it should say on the dust bag, because I have already forgotten, and it does not, it probably says inside Spring in the City or something like that. It came out, I believe, in March, which would be right when my mom went into the hospital. And if you follow me regularly, I don't keep up with the new releases anyways. My Cozy Gram, it's also a Neo Noe BB, yes, Neo Noe BB. My Cozy Gram one, I had got an email the day before I had my appointment, and I happened to open the email. I don't remember seeing this at all. I saw the version in the Alma BB, but I had just gotten my pink Epi Alma BB, so I just had no interest in it. Oh, this is so cute. Let's look this over. I do not have any Damier Azur bags left in my collection, and I have been wanting one. This is made in France. I'm not sure if that's going to show there. And the other side just says Louis Vuitton Paris in this kind of vanilla colored leather. And the inside, I've been wearing clothes to match my unboxings. The inside is rose ballerine. Oh, it is so beautiful. Okay, so this is the detachable handle, and it has the pink and the brown braiding. So how I discovered this, after I purchased mine, and I'm going to show you, it's on the bed, that's why I keep pointing over there. I'm going to show them to you side by side. But after I purchased mine, I went on their website and I typed in the name of the bag, and this came up. It disappeared very, very quickly, probably when the new Christmas animation, or, it wasn't on there for very long. So I described it to my sales associate because I couldn't get it to pull up anymore, and he was able to, and there was one left in the country. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. It's so cute. And it has the same strap like my other one, except for in that vanilla leather, and it's where you can make it crossbody, or you can make it, if you unsnap it here, crossbody or shoulder very easily by just doing that. I will do some mod shots of this in just a second, and I will show it to you next to my Cozy Gram one. I'm not going to share what fits inside of it or turn the bag around, because I'll just link that video. They are the exact same size, and it's just, it's roomier than a Speedy Bee. Not a Speedy Bee, an Alma BB. It's been a very long day, but it's a lot roomier, and I thought the Alma was super cute. I considered it. This actually cost a little bit more than the Alma. Let's see if the price is in here, because I don't remember. Of course, I have my receipt sitting in front of me, so I can look at the receipt too. It was a little bit more than the Alma BB, but I just didn't have any interest in that. Like I said, okay, it's $2,440. Neo Noe Damier Azur. It doesn't say, but I'm pretty sure it was like Spring in the City or something along those lines. I don't know, because I don't keep up with this stuff. Oh wait, there's one more tag. And no, it doesn't help. So anyways, I am just thrilled with this. Yes, wrong time of year, but I believe that you can wear any color any time of the year. So let me do some mod shots, and then I'm going to grab the other one and hold it up to compare the two of them. So I just wanted to share with y'all the new roses I just got from Rose Forever New York. These are in the pale baby pink, and this is in the white marble box. These are so incredibly beautiful. These are real roses, and they will last for, they say, at least a year on their website, but I have some that are coming up on 2 years, and they look as amazing as the day that I got them. I just love these so much. They're so pretty on my desk. I decided to change my theme up from having so much black on my desk and put a little bit more pink. Look at how beautiful these are. Y'all, I will have a discount code down below for you. These were gifted. The code is not affiliate. This is not sponsored. this is my own opinion. I just think they're really, really beautiful. Okay, so I looked it over really, really good. I was nervous because in the pictures, it looked like this side tab was really, really curled up. And it is not. It's not quite as flat as that one, but it's not curled up either. So I was like, you know, for this much money, I don't want to have a big curl the day that I get it. It is so beautiful. So here they are side by side, and of course I did a mod shot side by side. Which one is your favorite? This is strictly going to be fall and winter for me. You know, I don't have a problem with that anymore, having a few seasonal pieces in my collection, because I have plenty of things to choose from, and it's so cute. I have been just wearing this and wearing this and wearing this. Will I wear this one in the fall and winter? Absolutely. I wear light pinks, as you can see. Would I wear it with the denim jeans that I have on today? Yes, if I was doing it as a shoulder bag, maybe crossbody. What I do with denim or any kind of dark pant before I wear a light colored bag is I take a white cloth and I rub where the bag will lay, like on your hip, wherever, your thigh, depends on, you know, how tall you are, how you like your crossbody bags, and I rub it pretty aggressively. If any blue comes off on that, then absolutely not. If nothing comes off on it, then I know I can get away with wearing a lighter colored bag with those pants. So that's kind of how I do it. Oh my goodness, I wish I had my Rose Poudre Zoe wallet to compare it to the Rose Ballerine. That's the first color transfer I've ever gotten in my life, and I think it came from my Chanel Deauville. I'm pretty sure, but I had it re-dyed and I was supposed to pick it up this week, but I didn't have enough time. But here they are. I'm so excited. I had no earthly idea that this even existed. I knew about the Speedy. That's so cute. It's so cute. These are so functional. I don't know what has happened, but I am becoming a bucket bag lover. I think this one too. I have 4 because I have a Fendi and I have a Longchamp as well. So thank you for letting me share. I'm super excited. Very, very excited. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day today. Take care. Bye-bye.